A vending machine appears to be a simple, standalone box dispensing snacks and drinks at the push of a button. In reality, this box functions as a self-contained retail business, operating 24 hours a day without cashiers, HR departments, or closing hours. These dispensers occupy high-density urban footprints, claiming valuable sidewalk space where conventional storefronts are impossible to build. This deceptive facade masks a ruthless, highly calculated micro-retail operation. The psychology of convenience relies on consumers paying for instant access when they are rushed, tired, or trapped. In a medical environment, combination food machines serve an exhausted, captive audience, operating long after the hospital cafeteria has closed for the night. Transit hubs follow a similar logic, where operators command high premiums for electronics and accessories because the customer cannot leave the terminal to find a better price. The business model functions through an invisible handshake. The property owner provides the foot traffic and power, while the operator manages the equipment, splitting the gross revenue via a 15 to 30% commission. Because a machine's profitability is dictated entirely by its placement, vending is a real estate business at its core. Historically, the industry was crippled by the blind run. Operators drove to locations guessing what had sold, often wasting fuel and labor on machines that were still full or required items the driver hadn't packed. Cellular telemetry and the Internet of Things transformed these boxes into smart nodes that communicate sales data in real time. This chart forecasts the global installed base of connected vending machines through 2028. Currently, 44% of the world's machines are online, a figure projected to reach 11.4 million units. This connectivity enables cashless payments via card readers and mobile wallets, which typically boost gross sales by up to 35% by removing the friction of physical currency. Telemetry turned a mechanical guessing game into a precise, data-driven network. Shifting focus from the machine to the warehouse reveals vending is a logistics and route management business. Vending management software acts as the central brain, translating machine data into warehouse operations. Operators use digital pick lists to load delivery vans with the exact quantities of missing items for a specific route, eliminating excess inventory weight. Dynamically skipping fully stocked machines on a route cuts operational fuel and labor costs by up to 30%. Operational success hinges on the ruthless optimization of the delivery driver's time. Unit economics start with deceptively high gross margins. Familiar snacks purchased at wholesale prices often carry a markup between 50 and 80%. That margin disappears quickly. After subtracting the cost of goods and location commissions, net profits typically settle into a tight range between 25 and 35%. Invisible profit leaks drain the remaining balance, including credit card processing fees, expired inventory, vehicle fuel, and unexpected repairs. While a single machine generates modest pocket change, a 100-machine optimized route creates significant automated cash flow. Scaling this empire requires ruthless control over invisible costs. Operational discipline outweighs simple machine ownership. When you stand in front of a machine and tap your phone, you are completing the final step of a complex process. This single transaction is supported by cloud data packets, predictive algorithms, and hard-fought location contracts. This physical box stands as the absolute final, millimeter-precise edge of an invisible global supply chain. Pushing a button for a snack triggers an interaction with an automated, data-driven empire.